Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and for today's I'm gonna do a glowy makeup look for you guys inspired in Euphoria. So before we get started, I'm moisturizing my skin and filling my brows a little bit, and next I add contact lenses in my eyes. Today I'm using Precious Gray by Desio Eyes. I absolutely love how comfortable it is and also how natural it looks in the eyes. For my skin, I'm gonna go for a glowy effect. So today I'm gonna apply a lot of highlighter. Today I'm gonna use from Iconic London, and I absolutely love this one because it moisturizes my skin at the same time. So I'm gonna apply all over my face a small amount of product, as you can see here, to give me this glowy finish in the end of my makeup look. Also, you can apply your favorite primer if you like before you add the eyeliner. No, the highlighter, as I did here, but today I decided to skip this step and add just the highlighter because it's a oily formula, so it's gonna moisturize my skin. And next I'm gonna apply a thin coat of this amazing foundation that I really love. Is a moisturizing foundation. This is Teint Idole by Lancôme, and the shade that I'm using is 021, I believe, and this color is perfect for me. As you can see guys, so I'm gonna add a small amount of product and spread it out all over my face, and if needed I'm gonna add a little bit more in a few areas to cover up everything that I need. So I'm using a damp beauty blender to apply because today I want to go for a natural glowy finish, and what is left in the blender I'm gonna apply in my neck and chest as well to balance the look and to highlight and to contour my face, and at the same time giving me this natural finish. I'm gonna use the P.Louise eyeshadow base. I know this is eyeshadow base, but it works really well in the skin. Trust me, it's so easy to blend and also very pigmented that I can just add a little bit of product in a few areas that I want to highlight, stand out, and also to create shadow and sculpt. So I'm gonna take a small amount in the same beauty blender that I was using before to apply the foundation, and I'm gonna apply the lightest shade just where I want to stand out and to bring forward, and the darkest shade I'm gonna apply where I want to sculpt and kind of bronze a little bit. So the colors that I used for the eyeshadow base, this is Rumour's, and I used the shade 05 to highlight and the shade 07 to contour and to sculpt. And today for this look I want to just blend everything really well because I want to keep this natural and glowy finish for my skin. So I want to avoid the harsh lines, especially because I really like to emphasize the contours and the highlights when I work with shadows in my face, but today I want to keep it simple. I want to keep it natural. Most of the times that I really like to work with this difference of colors in the face is because for the flash photography it works amazing, and for the videos as well, but here in person it looks way too strong when I add too much contour and also too much highlights. But this way it looks perfect, it looks amazing, especially with the highlighter underneath. Next, to set everything in my face, I'm gonna use just a little tiny bit of this compact powder from Essence. I really love this brand because it's drugstore and really affordable, and the products are so good. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of this powder with my favorite brush, and this is Spotlight Duster by Sigma. This is really my favorite to everything, guys. So I really like to apply powder, contour, bronzer, blush, and everything else. Even the highlighter, it looks stunning. So I'm gonna apply a small amount of product here, as you can see, most in the center of my face, just to take off the excess shine. And next I'm gonna use this amazing palette by Melt Cosmetics. This is a very good blush palette and it's very pigmented. This is from a new collection, a really special collection called Mariposas, and the palette is called Monarca. So I'm gonna mix these two colors together and I'm gonna apply in the apples of my cheeks, blending it out to the outside of my face, as you can see here. And guys, I'm using the same brush that I was using to apply the powder in my face, so I can really diffuse this blush in my cheeks, as you can see here, because it's very pigmented. So I just take a small amount and really spread it out. As you can see here, I can have a amazing effect for my cheeks. And next I'm gonna use a lip balm. This is very good by Sigma Beauty, so I'm gonna apply in my lips to moisturize before I do my eye makeup. So with a concealer brush, I'm gonna apply in my eyelids the eyeshadow base, also from P.Louise, and this is the shade Rumours 2. So I'm gonna apply a small amount of product in the eyelids and smudge it out. You can use even a concealer if you like, or the same concealer that I use in my skin, even just a little bit of foundation, because today the look is very simple, so I just need a base to stick the shimmer that I'm gonna apply later on. And for the shimmer today, I want to create a kind of transparent glitter, so I'm gonna apply just a little bit of the glitter from MAC Cosmetics, and this is the Reflects Gold. And next I'm gonna apply the eyeliner. Today I'm gonna use Quick and Easy eyeliner pen by Huda Beauty. This liquid eyeliner is very good. I really recommend for you guys because it's amazing and it's waterproof. So I really love how resistant it is and also how easy it makes my life when it comes to eyeliner. So I'm gonna apply just a small amount. I wanna create a cat eye effect, and right on top I'm gonna add the rhinestones. I really love this part and I decided to do it off of camera. I'm sorry guys, because it's so hard to apply the glue and also to add each rhinestone on top of the glue, and you know it takes a lot of time, but the end result is so fun and I really like how it looks. Also it's so glamorous and colorful, so it's cute at the same time, and I really love how it looks, and I really hope that you like it much as I do. So to conclude this look, I'm gonna use a lip liner by Melt Cosmetics just in the center of the lips to create a shadow and to give this look a little bit of color in the lips as well. But today I was thinking if I should apply a nude lipstick or even a pink lipstick, a hot pink like this. So I decided to mix them both together, and I'm gonna use a liquid lipstick by Sigma Beauty, but I'm gonna use just a small amount of product. As you guys can see here, I'm even applying the shade with a brush just to give me a little more natural effect. On top, I'm gonna apply a little bit of lip gloss, and this is how I conclude this look. I really hope that you love it guys much as I do. And the list of all the products that I used here, I'm gonna put down below for you guys in the description box. Just to remember, in case you're interested, you can use my code MelissaSB for 10% off in sigmabeauty.com for any purchase. They got amazing brushes and also amazing products, especially the lip balms, the eyeshadow palettes, the blush palettes, and everything else. So I really recommend for you guys to try this out. So comment down below what you think about this makeup look and also what you wanna see next here in my channel. Follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video if you did. And I see you later in the next tutorials. Mwah. Bye. Take care and stay safe.